Number 1. Rajiv Gandhi Computer Saksharta Mission. Mission 8. Lakshya Anek, the Education Catalyst. Honorable Prime Minister of India has a clear-cut vision for knowledge-based sectors including computer and IT education. The visionary of PM has envisaged IT to be core function and not only of each and every industry, but also of every rural household of our country. The government hopes to deliver a string of services such as e-education, e-health and e-governance through a national broadband network, which is expected to be in place by 2017. Taking the vision of Honorable Prime Minister further to Make in India and Digital India, Dr. K.P. Singh is determined to spread the knowledge industry far and wide.
मेरा सपना भारत के प्रत्येक नागरिक को कंप्यूटर लिटरेट करना है ताकि मेरे भारत देश का डिजिटल एवं स्किल इंडिया का सपना साकार हो सके।
In line with this idea only, way back in 1995, in a far-sighted move, he put together a dedicated team of IT specialists and thus launched Rajiv Gandhi Computer Saksharta Mission. Mission 8. Lakshya Anek, the Education Catalyst. Today, keeping pace with the vision, it is working under the aegis of RGCSM Trust and Society. The main motto of this society is to provide higher technical education at nominal charges for every group of society of urban and rural areas all over India. RGCSM is an autonomous organization and is approved by Planning Commission of India and granted accreditation by state governments. Since its inception, this mission has spread throughout the country with more than 3,000 affiliated centers, and it has also been awarded with ISO certification for Quality Management System. Affiliated centers of RGCSM spread throughout the country have successfully trained about 10 lakh students, and presently the mission has around 70,000 students under training. The organization is also empaneled by the Industrial Department to conduct the various technical and training programs under several states and central government schemes. Achieving another milestone in the success path of our mission, our organization has become member of NASSCOM. RGCSM has frequently organized its various schemes under central and state government policies like Rajiv Gandhi Suchna Shakti Yojana, Indira Suchna Shakti Yojana, Sarvasulabh Computer Prashikshan Yojana, Jan Pratinidhi Computer Prashikshan Yojana, Gram Doot Yojana and Rajiv Gandhi E-Gyan Kendra. Besides, RGCSM is also approved by Directorates of Employment and Training, Government of India, and also from many state government departments. Trained students are entitled to get registered in various employment exchanges in all over India based on the certificate provided by the organization. In addition to that, RGCSM is an authorized training partner of National Skill Development Center, Government of India, National Association of Software and Services, NASSCOM, Retailers Association Skill Council of India, Telecom Sector Skill Council of India TSSCI, Banking and Finance Sector Skill Council of India and National Digital Literacy Mission NDLM Project, NIELIT, formerly DOEACC Society, Rajasthan Skill and Livelihood Development Corporation RSLDC, West Bengal Rural Development Authority and many more. On its part, RGCSM has its own publication cell with specialized research and development team to provide quality course materials to students. RGCSM research team has come up with 41 professional career-oriented courses. RGCSM offers courses in the following segments: software, hardware and networking, computer accounting, nursery teacher training, computer teacher training, multimedia and animation, mobile repairing, CCC BCC course of NIE-LIT, state government's training programs, central government training programs like National Skill Development Authority NSDA, National Digital Literacy Mission NDLM, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY and vocational training programs. The organization is fully equipped to materialize the goal of this mission under the slogan of Information Technology for All and fulfill the employment requirement of 22 lakh IT technologists and more than 10 lakh ancillary requirements of computer operators and specialists in industrial development. As a feather in our cap, the track record of RGCSM has prompted a number of personalities from the public life to offer appreciation letters to the organization. The prominent among them are Dr. Manmohan Singh, former Prime Minister, Government of India; Shri Arjun Singh, former Minister, MHRD; Srimati Sheila Dikshit, former Chief Minister, Government of Delhi; Shri Ashok Gehlot, former Chief Minister, Government of Rajasthan; Shri Shanti Dhariwal, former Home Minister, Government of Rajasthan; Dr. Jitendra Singh, IT Minister, Government of Rajasthan; Shri Anshuman Singh, former Governor, Government of Rajasthan; Shri Digvijay Singh, former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh; Shri Vilas Rao Deshmukh, former CM of Government of Maharashtra; and Dr. P.C. Vyas, President, Board of Secondary Education. The RGCSM team is leaving no stone unturned to make its reach possible to each and every corner of the country. The organization is playing a significant role by training today's youth and preparing them to fulfill the upcoming demands of the IT industry. Apart from that, we take special efforts to provide placements to RGCSM pass-outs with the help of placement coordinators. Thus, thousands of students have been placed in different countries around the globe. Let's move forward and make the mission of IT a priority objective of our lives. We invite you all to be a part of this great mission. For more details about course, contact nearest RGCSM Authorized Study Center. Head Office address: Rajiv Gandhi Computer Saksharta Mission, Rajdhani Tower, H16, IT Park, IPIA, Road number 4, Jhalawar Road, Kota, 324005, Rajasthan. Phone 0744241029 399. Fax 241039. Website www.rgcsm.org. Email director@rgcsm.org. Rajiv Gandhi Computer Saksharta Mission. Mission 1, Lakshya Anek. The Education Catalyst.